asuntoskäyttö Heinolan sillan kulma.
Yeah, today it's 14th of July 2025. We have Siltakatu 1, staircase B.
Ei.
Or A. Yeah, we have just the staircase B as well. It's in Heinola, Rough Division, Finland. Best history first, built in 1962 by Kone, modernized in 2005 by Otis with the oldest 2000 fixtures and some floors here. The oldest number is H10364, the newest number is B1 as well, 1534, modernized in late 2004 actually, and the staircase B was modernized in the beginning of 2005.
Yeah.
Some floors. But we have some fixtures one floor right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they were modernized at the turn of the year 2004, 2005.
Yeah.
But floor one could have been green instead because that's the main floor here.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
That's